have decided to be here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today we are going to be talking about nourishing our locks. Okay, some healthy habits that we can adopt to help grow our hair long and keep our hair strong. Okay, so today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 habits that will nourish your locks. We're going to go ahead and get right into it with number 1. Of course, it's going to be moisturize, 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 okay? Moisturizing your locks is very important for healthy locks because this is going to help you grow your hair long, okay? You don't want no dry, brittle locks because they will break off. So in moisturizing your hair properly, you really want to moisturize your hair from the root to the tip, okay? And starting with your roots, one of the things that you can do to moisturize your hair very well in your roots is take an oil, whatever oil works best for you. I like Jamaican black castor oil. Some other oils are jojoba oil is really good for your hair. You could use argan oil, you could use avocado oil, coconut oil. Use a nice essential oil, 100% natural essential oil. Put it on your roots, in your scalp, and literally massage your scalp. Massage the oil into your scalp and really moisturize your scalp and keeping those hair follicles moisturized, okay? Now when it comes to the shaft of your locks, also take some oil and like rub it in your hair, massage it into your hair from the root to the tip, okay? So definitely keep that in mind. Moisturizing is the number 1 way to nourish your locks and keep them vibrant and beautiful. Number 2, wash your hair thoroughly. Okay, this probably should have been number 1, but this is number 2. Wash your hair thoroughly. I recommend using Dr. Bronner's Castile soap because this soap really strips dirt and lint and anything that's in your hair. This soap will strip it out. Okay, so I definitely suggest Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. Everyone's hair is different, so I never tell people to do what I do. Do what works for you. I just give you suggestions. You could try it if you like, but definitely wash your hair thoroughly. Once you wash your hair, it's also important to rinse. You want to rinse your hair thoroughly. Make sure there's no product in your hair because the last thing you want is buildup in your hair. So make sure you get all of that product, all of that shampoo out of your hair when you are washing. So rinse, rinse, rinse. Number 3, keep your hair care routine simple. Find out what works for your hair. Find out what works for you. You want to stay away from products with a lot of chemicals in it. Try and stay the natural realm, 100% natural hair care products, and also limit the products that you use in your hair. Just because it's for natural hair does not mean it has to go in your hair, okay? Don't buy everything just because it says it refines, twists, and curls, and you know how these companies advertise hair care products to black women. So definitely find out what products work for you, what works best on your particular hair texture, and stick to your simple hair routine. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Number 4, a healthy night routine. When it is sleepy time, okay, make sure you are wrapping your hair at night. This is healthy for your locks because you want to keep lint and anything that can get in your locks when you're sleeping. You want to wrap your hair up at night just to prevent any lint from getting in your hair. Also, wrapping your hair at night will help to preserve your retwist or a style if you have one. Also, before you go to bed, if you're someone who suffers from dry hair or dry scalp, you could moisturize your hair at night, your scalp and your lock, and then wrap it up. This will help seal in some moisture and keep your hair nice and moisturized while you sleep. Okay? Number 5, take hair vitamins. Now, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all when I say have not always taken hair vitamins. I probably need to start, and yes, y'all, I took hair vitamins a while back, some years ago, y'all. I took hair vitamins in so long, but I definitely had to throw this in there, and I need to take my own advice here and start taking hair vitamins, because this nourishes your hair from the inside out. Okay, so as you are growing your hair, this will help you to grow healthy hair to begin with. Before you even start your locks, you're just starting your locks, great time to start taking hair vitamins, because this will help strengthen your hair. It'll help strengthen the elasticity of your hair. It'll just help you to grow strong hair strands. Okay, so definitely consider taking hair vitamins. I know I ain't perfect, y'all, and I haven't been taking my vitamins, but I will start, and when I do, I will share those with you guys, and I will also link them in the description box. Yes, so love your hair, nourish your hair from the root to the tip, and yeah, I believe that is all I have for this video today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I hope that these habits that I've shared with you guys help. Please feel free to comment down below and share some of the habits that you have for everyone watching this video, so that we can keep our hair healthy, strong, and vibrant. Okay, share this video wherever you share cool stuff, your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. Hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all a long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenya out of here.